Hello guys, I'm back. So for all of you who don't know me, my name is Jigar Parekh. I'm the CET 2099.99 percentiler, and I've been teaching students how to score better in CET since a while now. For all of you who know me, I'm glad to see you guys again. So guys, today is another session of doubt solving Saturdays. But I thought doubts are not something that are just sums or LR puzzles or DI sets. I thought that I have a few questions that I'm repeatedly getting asked. And now that recently the NMAT results have come out, NMIMS के results have come out कि कौन select हुआ कौन नहीं हुआ shortlist हुआ या नहीं. People have a lot of doubts regarding that, and I have seen a rush of people who are now turning on to CET and try their hand at getting an admission into JBIMS. Okay. First of all, a very good choice that you guys made. You guys have made your mind already. But now understand, you need to have a structure. I get three doubts, which are like I'm basically going to cover three doubts today, which I have been asked in the last 1 week very often. Okay. First of all, NMIMS, many people have scored well, but then they didn't clear Mumbai, like they didn't clear Mumbai, but they got Bangalore, Hyderabad, or any other campuses. People are asking me, is it worth going there? I would say, guys, you still have the time. You guys, because you are lucky enough, इस बार का admissions थोड़ा सब कुछ delay हुआ है, थोड़ा सब कुछ हुआ है. You guys have the time that you can still prepare for a SIDNIM or a JBIMS. Now understand, I would for sure say NMIMS Mumbai. Personally, I would say that it is better than SIDNIM. But understand this, NMIMS Hyderabad or Bangalore से SIDNIM काफी अच्छा है, according to me. So that is why if you guys have the time, why not prepare already? Now also people are thinking that is there enough time left for CET preparation? Now this is one thing that is a little dicey. Now understand this, it depends on a lot of factors. तुमने अब तक कैसा प्रिपेयर किया है? आर यू गाइज प्रॉपरली प्रिपेयर्ड? आर यू गाइज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड? तुमने एनएमआईएमएस दूसरी सारी एग्जाम्स दिए या फिर तुम एकदम फ्रेश सीधा सीईटी के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो? जॉब अभी छोड़ी है एंड अभी एमबीए के लिए ट्राई कर रहे हो. व्हाई नॉट टेक दिस सीईटी 21 एंड थिंक कि हाँ चलो जेबीआईएमएस या सिडनम मिल गया तो ओहो बहुत अच्छी बात है. Obviously अगर मिल गया तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. And for all the people who are already prepared before, now understand this, you guys are not starting from a zero. Most people are worried, अरे CET का preparation कैसे करूं? नहीं, you guys are not starting from a zero. Even if a normal layman थोड़ा बुद्धि वाला इंसान जाएगा CET देने, he will score a 50-60 marks तो मिल ही जाएगा. If you are a good enough graduate, if you have studied well, अगर तुमने सिर्फ 10th तक का एग्जाम प्रॉपरली ध्यान दिया है ना, तो तुम्हें आराम से 80 जितना मार्क्स आ सकता है. Just think a little logically and follow a good structured approach to the exam. तो 80 जितना आ जाएगा. उसके ऊपर का हमें हाथ पैर मारना है, and that is where I'm here to help you out. Don't worry, it's absolutely possible. And you guys have the advantage. CET का dates अभी तक नहीं आया है. You guys don't have the notification in hand. Since that from the time the notification comes out, you will still have 45 to 50 days. So even if we consider notification आ जाएगा, which it may not, but आज भी आया तो भी तुम्हारा आराम से एग्जाम ऑलमोस्ट मार्च एंड या फिर अप्रैल तक तो खींच ही गया. So please make sure that you guys are not worried, and if you guys are starting to prepare, डर छोड़ दो. Don't be worried, don't be scared. Fear is going to be the worst enemy that you guys are going to have in your CET preparation. Okay, now the second doubt that I have. The second doubt is, sir, मेरे basics clear नहीं है. Can CET be done? Okay, guys, now understand this. I am of the strong belief that basics have nothing to do with your CET preparation. And also students ask me, sir, if I want to join your course, do you start with basics or do you teach straight away advanced? Guys, understand this. I don't teach basics or advanced. I don't teach either of them. I have my own methods. I have my own unique methods. जिनमें बेसिक से भी कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, एडवांस से भी कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. द ओनली थिंग इज जो बंदा एक साल से प्रिपेयर कर रहा है एंड जो बंदा आज प्रिपरेशन चालू करेगा, द ओनली डिफरेंस इज एक साल वाले बंदे की स्पीड थोड़ी ज्यादा होगी. दैट्स इट, बिकॉज फॉर हिम आल्सो माय ट्रिक्स आर एब्सोल्युटली न्यू. So it does not matter if your basics are not clear. If you guys are ready to put in the time, if you guys are ready to put in the effort, CET is absolutely possible even right now. Because I know that, for example, one of my students who just joined me in Jan 14th के आजू बाजू he joined me. He was scoring a 60. He's just 2 दिन पहले मुझे उसका कॉल आया. He scored 110 in his mocks. And these were IMS mocks. So I know that IMS mocks are known to be very difficult, more difficult than CET. But that gives you a great quality also. So I know that for sure that guy is growing. just by using my tricks. All he is doing is watching my lectures, practicing the way that I tell him to, and doing everything that I've given him in the timetable. I give a timetable to every student कि कैसे पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है, कब पढ़ना है, सब कुछ. Make sure that you follow it. If you guys plan to join me, make sure that you follow everything to the T. Okay? And finally, the third doubt. Is there time left for me to prepare for JBIMS? मुझे second, third college में नहीं जाना है. Okay, guys, that depends on a lot of factors. Now understand this. For a person who has been a smart person all his life, preparation will be easier. I have a student who has been a straight A student all his life. Like engineering में बहुत अच्छा है, 12th में around 94 आए थे, 10th में 96 आए थे. Now for him it is a little simpler because his brain is trained accordingly कि उसको सिर्फ competitive exam में ही देना, उसने already JEE दी है. I have students who have not scored very well, but they have put in effort since the last 2-3 months and now they are doing very well. Now they are scoring like 115, 120 marks उनको आ रहे just by using my course. So it depends on a lot of factors. Also apart from that, you must understand तुम कितना time डाल रहे हो. I know students who have not been academically smart. Take me for example. मेरा graduation 58% है, मेरा 12th 61% है. I would not call myself a very, very smart individual. Most of you guys who are watching the video have better scores than I do. But still I got a 99.99 percentile. And that was purely a result of only my hard work and my tricks. So that is why here I am. I'm here giving you everything. I'm giving it to you all on the platter. All you guys have to do is तुम्हें सिर्फ मेरी tricks लेके उन्हें practice करना है और sum solve करने हैं. That's all you need to do. Okay? So guys, please make sure that you guys are not worried. You guys are not afraid and start preparing from now on. NMIMS गया चलेगा. Snap गया, Symbiosis गया चलेगा. JBIMS अभी तक हाथ में है. It is very much possible. Okay? So please make sure that you guys are studying well. Apart from that, I have now something that I may be able to help you out. So I have this course called Crack Every Test, where I teach all my tricks, where I teach you everything that I have that has helped me score well in CET. It is a 43-hour long course divided in 21 lectures. I'm planning to add 3 more lectures to it. All 3 of them will be 2 on strategy, 1 will be on a last minute preparation for CET. जब CET होगी उसके 5 दिन पहले वो session लेंगे. Everything that my course includes is basically I give you unlimited access to all my lectures. That's up till May you will have the lectures. So even for the people who are taking the MAT or all other exams, it will be helpful. I have a study plan that I give you guys that you need to follow when you are studying. I have a daily study plan. I have also a week-wise study plan कि Monday को ये, Tuesday को ये, Thursday को ये, Wednesday को ये, ऐसा सब कुछ है. Apart from that, there is vocabulary practice that I give you guys that this has helped students with their English a lot. If your English VRC section is bad, English is something that we practice daily. There is daily LRDI solving. If you guys are solving the LRDI questions slow, I have really high quality and without any mistakes wale questions, because I understand when you have mistakes in the questions, it just makes it much more difficult to solve it and you end up wasting half an hour. All the questions that I have are checked. All of the questions are absolutely right. And they are of really good quality. If you're able to solve those, then CET questions will be ekdam chindi chindi. So don't worry. Apart from that, I make sure that I help you out guys as much as I can. Whenever students have any doubts, you can just WhatsApp me anytime. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp all the time. If you guys need to call me, please make sure that you're calling me in between 6 to 9 p.m. Sham ko hi call karo, because otherwise I have my lectures also. But I would be very glad to help you out over a text any time of the day. I also have a few mock test series, which I give. So I have tabs with a few good mock test providers. So these are the packages that you can see. These are the 3 packages that you can see available. And if you guys have any doubts, please reach out to me via WhatsApp or just call me up in the evening anytime. I'll be able to help you out as much as I can. And I would love talking to you. Chalo. Bye guys. Also make sure that you guys are, and oh, sorry. These are my contact details. You guys can contact me at any of these 3 places. And I'd be really glad to talk to you guys. I'd be really happy to talk to you guys. Bye people.